Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to start chapter number 13 of history, that is the Mauryan dynasty. Before the establishment of Mauryan Empire, India was divided into many small kingdoms, and the disunity among them was the main cause of frequent foreign invasions. And about the Mauryan dynasty, it was established in 323 BCE under the king Chandragupta Maurya, and the main source of information is Indica by Megasthenes, and Megasthenes was an ambassador of Greek ruler. Seleucus Nicator in the court of Chandragupta Maurya. Seleucus was the commander of Alexander, and the other sources about this period are Puranas, second Buddhist and Jain literature, and the book Arthashastra, which was written by Kautilya, and then Ashoka's edicts on rocks and stone pillar, and the remains of the monuments are the main source of information about the period of Mauryan dynasty. The Mauryan Empire. This empire, or you can say this dynasty, was ruled between 321 to 297 BCE. And the Chandragupta was the first Mauryan ruler. He established his capital at Patliputra, and the name of Chandragupta's guru was Chanakya. He was his guru as well as his prime minister. Chanakya wrote the book Arthashastra, which is a famous book on the political administration. After Chandragupta Maurya, Bindusar succeeded him in 297 BCE, and he ruled up to 272 BCE. He was a very brave king. He developed good relation with the Greeks, and he also protected his empire, and he died in 272 BC. After that, his son came to throne, and his name was Ashoka, and Ashoka ruled from 272 to 232 BCE, and he was crowned in 269 BCE. He is considered to be the greatest ruler in Indian history. He conquered Kalinga, and the Battle of Kalinga was a very fierce battle. There was a huge loss of life and property. The horror of war and cries of the widows, and children deeply moved Ashoka, and he pledged never to resort to war, and the Kalinga War proved to be a turning point in the Ashoka's life. So, in this way, this war changed the life of King Ashoka. So this was about the Mauryan rulers, and next we will study in next lecture. Thank you.